Hi, welcome to Pinbox Academy. Hello boys and girls. We will be looking at grammar using is, am, and are today. Carefully follow all instructions in the blog post. Complete this lesson successfully. Your parent or teacher can help you complete the lesson exercise. There's a table of contents in the blog post as well. This is a guide to help you completing the lesson exercise. Please be reminded that the full lesson exercise will be in rumble.com. You can also access the full exercise on Pinbox Academy website. Be sure to click on the links below to access the lesson exercise. The Help and Resources section will be at the bottom of the blog post. You may use the student's submission form to send all activities to your teacher to grade, or you can send all your completed work to the email address. The email address will be in the description below. And most of all, have fun learning new things. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.